Good morning, students. We shall continue with the chapter The Adventures of Toto. As you know, Toto, a small monkey who is very naughty, and grandfather has bought him from a Tonga driver and he kept him at his home. But one day he had to go to Dehradun, so he took this monkey with him. What happened at railway station of Dehradun railway platform? Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. But while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile is a gate, in park. Have you ever seen this gate, which turns and then I just will show you the picture of this turnstile. Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. When grandfather was purchasing the ticket, this Toto, he just showed his face. He grinned towards this ticket collector. The poor man was taken aback. He was surprised, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you." He was very clever. He just made grandfather annoyed by saying, "Sir, you have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly. So, if you have an animal with you, you have to purchase a ticket for that." In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey didn't qualify as a dog or even as a quadruped. They were all arguing about this monkey, that this is a monkey, not a dog. And this ticket collector, he just was there. He said Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. Finally, grandfather had to purchase a ticket or a fare for this monkey also. Then grandfather, just to get his own bag, took from his pocket out pet tortoise. There was a tortoise also in his pocket. He took out the tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this? Since you charge for all animals, what would be the fare for this small animal like tortoise?" The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded it with his forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look, and said, "No charge, it's not a dog. For tortoise, we never will have a charge because it is not a dog." Now you can see the picture here. This is Saharanpur station. The ticket collector, he is arguing with grandfather over the fare. And now when Toto was finally accepted by grandfather, he was given a comfortable home in the stable. Now there was a stable in the home, and this animal was kept there. He had a companion in the family donkey, Nana. Name of the donkey was Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. Grandfather came to see if Toto is okay in the stable. What happened? To his surprise, he was astonished to see that without apparent cause, pulling it at halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. The donkey was trying to keep her away from that bundle of grass. So grandfather gave Nana a slap. Now she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. Toto was over that donkey Nana because he had fastened onto her long ears with his sharp little teeth. He was biting with teeth on the ears of this female donkey, that was Nana. Toto and Nana never became friends. They always remained enemies. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evenings was the large bowl of warm water. Now, in the kitchen, whenever the water is boiled, it was like a treat for this Toto, and he would cunningly test the temperature of the water by putting his hand in the water. Then he stepped into the bath. First he put his one foot, then another, then he himself just sit down into the kettle. So we shall see what happened next when he entered in that kettle. I am telling you the story. When he entered in the kettle, the water started boiling and he was burnt, and he just jumped out of the kettle, and everybody was laughing to see how mischievous this little monkey is. Thank you and have a nice day. We shall continue the next part.